To start, we're going to look at this phylogenetic tree and analysis of Africa-focused data for SARS-CoV-2. We can see as we scroll down that we have a phylogenetic tree, a map, a diversity panel, and a frequencies panel. One of the first things we'd like to do is to explore these data and understand what's going on in Africa. To get a better sense of what's happening, we can filter the data to just show those samples from Africa. To do this, we can start by typing Africa, and we'll see that we get autocomplete options here, including one to filter by region to Africa. When I select this option, we'll see that I've modified the URL up here, and this is showing us information about what filters have been applied to the current view. Next, we'd like to scroll down, and we'd like to turn off the diversity panel or the entropy panel. We can scroll down on the left navigation panel and click this button to turn off the entropy panel. When we do this, we can see that we've modified the URL again, and now we have a list of the panels that are actually being shown, and we also see that we have a panel view here that's set to full. As a last change, we'd like to view the map and the tree side by side, so we'll select the grid panel option. In doing so, we can now see the tree and the map and the frequencies panel at a single view. We can also send this URL to a colleague to recreate the exact same view that we're looking at here, or we can embed this URL into a Nextstrain narrative, which is what we'll do next.